Many people ask how long it takes to learn fashion designing. Some think it takes years or even attending a fashion school before you can learn. Well, my own case is different because I learned by watching others and practicing consistently. And in this video today, I'll be sharing with you guys how long it actually took me to learn fashion designing, the skills I focus on at what point, and tips on how you can improve and learn faster. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In the first 3 months of me learning how to become a fashion designer, what I focused on is learning the basics of sewing. And this includes how I can thread a sewing machine and how I can pedal a sewing machine correctly, conveniently, and without any problem. Then I proceed to learning straight stitches. Yes, I practice on fabrics and I use paper to learn how to run straight stitches, cuff stitches. I practice so well that I become so good at running straight stitches on clothes. Then around 4 to 5 months of me learning, I proceed to learning how to take proper measurements using my friends and family as examples. And around 6 months or thereabouts, I begin to work on simple projects. Yes, simple projects like tops, gowns, skirts for my families, for myself. I run it, but at some point I feel like I was not improving. And what I did in order to correct this particular issue is to work on my finishing. And you know what, guys, this actually boosts my confidence, because whatever clothes I'm working on, after working on my finishing, it gives my clothes a professional look, and I am so happy that this is actually improving and I keep on. And at about 1 year, I can confidently say I've become a fashion designer, because I can confidently sew styles without any issue. So what I'm actually saying in essence is that if you are trying to learn on your own, if you are trying to do the self-taught style, you need to put in a lot of effort. You need to be able to practice on your own. Actually, these timelines depends on how often you practice. Yours can be faster than mine and yours can be longer than mine. And if you think you can't be disciplined enough to do the self-taught style, you can go for fashion school if you have the financial capacity, or you learn from tailors that are good, that are in your environment.
And if you are learning fashion designing, don't rush. Take it step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.